Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg sauce. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need about 4 to 6 fresh eggs, 1 medium onion, and 1 bell pepper. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil ready, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. For an extra kick, consider adding a clove of garlic or a mild chili. Next, let us prepare our vegetables. Finely dice your 1 medium onion and 1 bell pepper. Once chopped, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your diced vegetables to the hot oil. Sauté them gently, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft and fragrant. This step builds a fantastic flavor base for your egg sauce. Now it is time to introduce the star of our dish, the eggs. In a separate bowl, whisk your 4 to 6 eggs with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt until well combined. Pour this whisked egg mixture directly over the sautéed vegetables in your pan. Stir gently and continuously with a spatula. Keep stirring until the eggs just begin to set and thicken. To finish, continue cooking your egg sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the eggs are fully cooked through but still moist. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding an additional pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper if needed. Your warm, savory egg sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately with rice, bread, or any side you prefer for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.